Okay, so today I'm going to do an outfit of the day video because I got a lot of compliments on my outfit today, and a lot of people said I look like a Native American, which I'm not, but I do appreciate the whole Native American, culture and beliefs and stuff. Alright? Awesome. Okay, so the headpiece, or the headband, is from Claire's, and it has a little elastic thing in the back. And I tried to wear it as like a regular headband, but it kept sliding up and down. So that's what that looks like. It mainly goes like up to half right here, and then half right there. So you don't have that much elastic showing. And that's the headpiece right there. That's from Claire's, and I think it was in the 10 for 10 rack. It might have been a little bit more. It might have been like $3. I don't know. But I like to go to Claire's because their headbands and like headpieces, accessories are usually really cheap and really cute. So that's where I got that from. The shoes are gonna be from Wet Seal, and I got them for 20 bucks. But they were on the rack during the actual like school time when you go school shopping, and they were on the rack for, I'm gonna say, it's the one where you buy it and you get the second one for a penny. So I guess that's a sale rack. These are the boots, and they're really cute and they're really long. You can also adjust them. So those are the shoes. The tights are from Walmart. They were $5. The dress is from Marcy's, and I think it was 20 bucks. And it's everything it comes with. It has this part and a built-in like cami. And then the skirt is a different color. And it's recommended for curvy girls, which I think I am, so that's why I bought it. And I like the brown colors. And this necklace I got at the in Montana when I went to visit there at the Rockies Museum. But I'm pretty sure you can find one online for really cheap. And then I have gummy bear earrings that I got from Claire's. So like the accessories don't really match, but that's just the way I am. So I hope this is cool and that it inspires you to get your outfit goings on. So this is what the whole outfit looks like. I don't know if you can tell because yeah, that's it. This is the whole outfit, and I hope that you like it. It's really comfy. I think the skirt is suede. The shoes are definitely suede. So if you're gonna buy these kind of shoes and try to walk out in the snow, make sure to spray them with water protection. And that's my outfit for the day. Thank you.